Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make algebraic expressions from sentences. And then you're going to go to the Google document that's linked and you're going to try it yourself. So let's look at the first one here. It says the sum of 8 and m. So to turn this into an algebraic expression, you're going to write 8 plus m. Because remember, sum means to add. And if you want, we can start to put together a list of clue words. So some clue words that we could use to know that the question wants us to add would be sum. It might say plus. It might say increase, total, combine. All of those words would mean you're going to have an addition symbol. Let's look at the next example. It says B take away 19. Now, when you hear take away, most of you hopefully think of subtraction. So B take away 19. The way that I would write this as an algebraic expression is B subtract 19. Now remember, an expression does not have equals after it. So B subtract 19, we would just leave it like that. Now let's add some clue words into subtraction then. So one clue word from that is take away. You might also see less or decrease or minus or fewer. Any of those words, and that should prompt your brain to think, oh, I'm probably going to have to subtract. The next example says the quotient of 20 and C. So remember, quotient means divide. So the quotient of 20 and C would be 20 divided by C. So some clue words that we might see to know we have to divide is, of course, quotient, share, split, equal groups, half, any of those, each. Any of these words should prompt you to think division. The next example, 30 times x. So times, that means multiplication. So I'm going to do 30, and I'm not going to write times x. I'm just going to write 30x. Because remember, when there is a number beside a variable, that already means multiply. So if I did 30 and then a little times symbol x, I'm being a little repetitive. So 30x would be the best answer. Now let's add in some clue words to know that it's multiplication. So times, double or triple, quadruple, any of those. Product of every. Any of those words might mean multiplication. Let's do another example. 10 divided by y. So my algebraic expression would be 10 divide y. Now another way that you could write this is 10 over y. Okay, these mean the same thing. Both of these would be right. Now go to the Google document and you're going to complete these next 5 problems. So when you go to the Google document, it looks like this. Write the algebraic expression that matches the sentence, fill your answers into the table. So you're gonna put your answers over here. So let's do the first one together. 14 added to P. That's gonna be 14 plus P. So that would be your answer. Then you're gonna continue and do the other 4. Once you're done, it will automatically save into your drive. If you want, you can put your name in the title. You can exit it, and then when you are done all of your work, you will make sure you turn this into Google Classroom at the same time as you turn in your slideshow. Thank you for watching.